Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn and Practice with Teju. Today let us see about the pair of linear equations in the two variables of the 10th class. So first, before going into the chapter, let us see about the very important table of this chapter. So here they are saying the linear equation. What is meant by the linear equation? So first of all, before going into the chapter, let us see what is meant by the linear equation. So the linear equation is said to be ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Why it is a linear equation? Its power is 1. What is the power? To x to the power of 1, b to the power of 1. So as the power of the variables is 1, it is said to be the linear equation. What is meant by the linear equation in the two variables? Here x is a one variable and y is a one variable. So two different variables are there. So for x one value we will get, for y another value. So total two values for the two variables we will get. And finally it is said to be the linear equation as it give the graph in the straight line itself. Like this straight line we will get. Why the straight line we will get? Because as the power is 1, it is said to be the linear equation. Is the general form of the standard form of the linear equation. It will be like a1x plus b1y plus c equals to 0. This is for the first equation. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. This is for the second equation. So these are the two equations representing the two linear straight lines, two linear lines. So if the comparing ratio a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, if a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, means suppose if a1 by a2 has come like 1 by 2, then b1 by b2 we didn't get 1 by 2, it like 3 by 4 or something. That is a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, then lines get intersect. If the two comparing ratios a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 is not equal, then the lines get intersect and it has an unique solution, and this is consistent and the independent. a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 and not equals to c1 by c2, then the lines are parallel. Lines will be parallel. If the lines are parallel, then automatically no solution will be there. It is like inconsistent and the independent. If a1 by b2 is equals to b1 by b2 and equals to c1 by c2, means all the three variables or all the three constants are equal, then the lines are coincident. It has many solutions and consistent and the dependent. Let us see the graphs of this and we will come to know. So this is the graphs representing this. These are the intersecting lines. Intersecting line means one line get cross to the another line. Means they will get like intersect like this. There will be the only one solution. Why only the one solution? It will meet at the only one point. So we will have the only one solution. So this is consistent and the independent. For this, what is the rule? What is the rule for this? a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. If a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, then the lines will be then intersecting. If the lines are intersecting, here it will meet at only one point, which is called as only one unique solution will be there. That is, the solutions are consistent and the independent. And if the lines are parallel, if the lines here the parallel are there, so then there will be the no solution. How the comparing ratio will be? a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2, not equals to c1 by c2. If it is not equals to c1 by c2, then it is an parallel lines and there will be the no solution and it is inconsistent and the independent. If lines are coincident means one line goes on the another line. Suppose see here, this is the one line. For example, this is one line. On this line only it overlaps. Suppose this is the line 1 and the line 2 also comes on this line 1 only. So here what is the ratio? A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2. If this it is there, infinite solutions will be there. Why infinite solution? As they are coinciding with another. So consistent and the dependent. The answer solution is consistent and the dependent. Let us see the first question. 5x minus 4y plus 8 equals to 0. 7x plus 6y minus 9 equals to 0. So in the first question, 5x minus 4y plus 8 equals to 0. Here a1 is 5, b1 is equals to minus 4, c1 is equals to 8. In the next question, 7x plus 6y minus 9 equals to 0. So a1 is 7, a2 is 7, b2 is 6, c2 is minus 9. Let us do a1 by a2. a1 by a2 is equals to 5 by 7. b1 by b2 is equals to minus 4 by 6. c1 by c2 is equals to 8 by minus 9. So a1 by a2 is equals to 5 by 7 we got. b1 by b2 after simplification 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are, so minus 2 by 3, and c1 by c2 is equals to 8 by minus 9. Here a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. So a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. Then the solution will be like intersecting lines. Intersecting lines, unique solution will be there. This is a condition for the unique solution and the intersecting lines. The second question they have given 9x plus 3y plus 12 equals to 0. So a1 is equals to 9, b1 is equals to 3, c1 is equals to 12. 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equals to 0. So a2 is equals to 18, b2 is equals to 6, c2 is equals to 24. Now we will do a1 by a2. 9 by 18. b1 by b2 3 by 6. c1 by c2 12 by 24. So after the cancellations we will get like a1 by a2 is equals to 1 by 2, 9 ones are 9 twos are. b1 by b2 is equals to 3 ones are 3 twos are 1 by 2. c1 by c2 is equals to 12 ones are 12 twos are 1 by 2. Here we are getting a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. So we are getting this condition a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. Then the lines are coincident. And it has many solutions. The next question is 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equals to 0. Here a1 is equals to 6, b1 is equals to minus 3, c1 is equals to 10. 2x minus y plus 9 is equals to 0. So a2 is equals to 2, b2 is equals to minus 1, c2 is equals to 9. Now we will do a1 by a2. 6 by 2, b1 by b2 is equals to 3 by minus 1, c1 by c2 is equals to 10 by minus 9. We are getting what we will get here. a1 by a2 is equals to 2 ones are 2 3s are 3, b1 by b2 is equals to minus 3, minus symbol will go to up. c1 by c2 is equals to minus 10 by 9. Like we have did here is b1 is equals to minus 3. So here minus cancel and we will get plus 3. Here what we are getting condition a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 and not equals to c1 by c2. Here then the lines are parallel and it has no solution. Given questions are the consistent or the inconsistent. So the question has given is 3x plus 2y equals to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equals to 7. This one can be written as 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. 2x minus 3y minus 7 equals to 0. This is the equations we have got. Now we will find a1 is equals to 3, b1 is equals to 2, c1 is equals to a1, b1, c1. a2 is equals to 2, b2 is equals to minus 3, c2 is equals to minus 7. Now a1 by a2, 3 by 2. b1 by b2 is equals to 2 by minus 3. c1 by c2 is equals to minus 5 by minus 7. We have got a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. So the lines are here. Lines are intersect. Lines are intersect. It has only unique solution. It has the unique solution. Unique solution. So whether it is consistent or not consistent, it is consistent. Only the parallel lines condition only, it will be the inconsistent. Remaining the both conditions, they are consistent only. Now the second question they given is 2x minus 3y minus 8 equals to 0. I changed the 8 from the RHS to the LHS. And 4x minus 6y minus 9 is equals to 0. Now a1 is 2, b1 is equals to minus 3, c1 is equals to minus 8. a2 is 4, b2 is equals to minus 6, c2 is equals to minus 9. Now we will do a1 by a2. a1 by a2 is 2 by 4. b1 by b2 is equals to minus 3 by minus 6. c1 by c2 is equals to minus 8 by minus 9. a1 by a2 is equals to 2 ones are 2 twos are, so 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is equals to 3 ones are 3 twos are, 1 by 2. Minus minus cancel. c1 by c2 is equals to minus 8 by minus 9. So here condition is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2. Here what is the condition for this? That is parallel lines. So parallel lines. a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by c2, then the condition is parallel lines. In these parallel lines, the no solution will be there. And the lines are inconsistent. It's not consistent. It is inconsistent. So to find this given question is consistent or the inconsistent, first let us change into the ax plus by plus c form. 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y minus 7 equals to 0. 9x minus 10y minus 14 is equals to 0. Here a1 is 3 by 2, b1 is 5 by 3, c1 is equals to minus 7, a2 is equals to 9, b2 is equals to minus 10, c2 is equals to minus 14. Now a1 by a2, that is 3 by 2 by 9. b1 by b2 is equals to 5 by 3 by minus 10. c1 by c2 is equals to minus 7 by minus 14. a1 by a2 is equals to 3 by 9 2s are 18. b1 by b2 is equals to 5 by minus 30. c1 by c2 is equals to 7 by 14. Now a1 by a2 how much we will get? 1 by 6. b1 by b2 is equals to 5 1 5 6 minus 1 by 6. c1 by c2 is equals to 1 by 2. We have got the condition a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. If a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, then it is intersecting lines. Intersect lines, and it will have only the unique solution. Then the lines are consistent. consistent. For only the parallel lines the condition is inconsistent. Remaining the for two conditions it is like consistent only. Given question they have 2x plus 3y plus 5 equals to 0, 4x plus py plus 10 equals to 0 are the coincident lines. So if the coincident lines are there, then what is the condition? If the coincident lines are there, then the condition is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. Here a1 is 2, b1 is 3 and c1 is 5. a2 is equals to 4, b2 is equals to p and c2 is equals to 10. So for the coincident lines the condition is this. So now we will equate 2 by 4 is equals to 3 by p is equals to 5 by 10. So 2 by 4 is 1 by 2 is equals to 3 by p. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So we will we have to find out the value of the p. So how can we find out? Now do the cross multiplication. P into 1 is p, 3 twos are 6. So the value of the p is 6. So if we keep the p is equals to 6 in the equation, then we will get like 2 by 4 is equals to 3 by 6 is equals to 5 by 10. So if we cancel, we will get all the 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 2. So this is the conditions of the coincident lines. These are important for the 1 mark and the 2 marks. Next we will discuss then very important questions of elimination method, substitution method, 4 marks, 5 marks questions. So next question they have given is parallel lines. So for the parallel lines, what is the condition? a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 and not equals to c1 by c2. So first a1 is equals to 1, b1 is equals to minus k, c1 is equals to 7, a2 is equals to 3, b2 is equals to minus 9, c2 is equals to 10. So what is the condition for parallel lines? a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2. So 1 by 3 is equals to minus k by minus 9 not equals to 7 by 10. So we will equate this. 1 by 3 is equals to minus minus cancelled. Then we will get k by 9. Now do the cross multiplication. So 9 is equals to 3k. K is equals to 9 by 3. This is in the multiplication form. If it comes in the down means we will get division form. 3 ones are 3, 3s are. So k is equals to 3. This is the condition for the parallel lines. What? a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2. So 1 by 3 is equals to 3 by 9. If you do cancellation, we will get 1 by 3 is equals to 1 by 3. So the value of the k is 3.